Welcome back to Success with Steven. My name is Steven Smith. On this channel, we discuss all things financial literacy. Navy Federal Credit Union offers a lineup of cards that are designed to appeal to a wide variety of its members. And although these cards have different attributes from cash rewards or travel perks to low APR, even building credit, it is hard to pinpoint which card would be best for you or which one of these cards gives you the most value for your credit profile and for your lifestyle. In this video, we're going to break down all of Navy Federal's current credit card offerings and rank them using a tier system based on benefits, value, and flexibility. So whether you're just looking to start building your credit or you're looking to maximize your rewards, this guide will help you make a more informed decision. And keep in mind, if you're already a member, you can find out if you pre-qualify by applying for these cards on the Navy Federal website. This will not impact your credit score. However, a pre-qualification does not guarantee approval when you apply. Other factors are considered, such as your monthly debt to income ratio and some other factors. It's a widely known fact at this point, but just for clarification, Navy Federal will pull your TransUnion FICO score. So if you have high utilization, a high number of recent inquiries, or any derogatory marks, I would suggest you take care of that for your best odds of approval. I have a credit repair playlist that is in the description. Highly recommend that you watch that if you want more information. So at any point in time, if you want to apply for these cards, you can do so with confidence, knowing you will be approved. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Let's first establish our tier system. We're going to be having S tier for outstanding. That's the most rewarding cards with the highest value and top tier benefits. We'll have our A tier for excellent. That's going to be a great card that offers substantial value and perks. We'll have tier B. That's a good, solid offering with average rewards or unique features. We'll also have C tier, which is mediocre, where it's usable, but the benefits are limited, and there may be some better alternatives out there. We'll also have F tier. That's poor, low value, or it's not recommended whatsoever. Now, let's dive into each card and we'll review their key features and assign them a tier rating. Number one is going to be the Cash Rewards card. I believe this is Navy Federal's most popular card, and the Cash Rewards family features two related cards under the same program that are designed to deliver a straightforward cashback program. When you apply, Navy Federal will evaluate your credit profile and determine which card you qualify for. If your credit limit is approved with $5,000 or higher, you'll receive the Cash Rewards Plus card featuring an unlimited 2% cashback rate on all purchases. Either way, there's no annual fee, and both versions give you a clean, straightforward cashback card. No rotating categories, no hoops to jump through, just straight cashback. Both of these cards come with a welcome bonus offer of $250 cash back after you spend $2,500 in the first 90 days of account opening. Additionally, both come with a 0% introductory APR on balance transfers, but it needs to be initiated within the first 60 days. A flat 2% credit card is standard at this point. You can pretty much get this from any bank that you go to. So the Cash Rewards Plus card will land in the B tier for its simplicity and solid reward rates, whereas the standard Cash Rewards card is going to sit in the C tier. I would say that it's still a useful card, but it's not nearly as rewarding. Number two we'll be looking at is the Go Rewards card, which is pretty simple, straightforward, but very useful. The Go Reward card offers a compelling introductory rate of just 0.99% APR on purchases for the first 6 months after account opening, and that is at the time of recording this video. Once this introductory period ends, the APR will adjust to a variable APR rate between 14.24% and 18%, depending on your credit worthiness. And of course, these change based on the US prime rate. You'll earn 3x on restaurants, 2x on gas, and 1x on every other purchase as far as the points go. This credit card is designed for individuals who enjoy dining out, frequent refueling of your vehicle, and maintain a solid credit score, typically somewhere between the average and excellent range. Now, this is going to be well suited if you can benefit from the low introductory APR, you want straightforward reward structures, and you seek added protection like collision damage coverage, which is a benefit of this card. There's also no annual fee, but I would say the reward structure is a little bit weaker compared to the More Rewards Amex card. And the welcome bonus isn't always consistent. Sometimes it's available, sometimes it's not. You'll have to actually check and see. So because of that, this one's going to land in the C tier. It's not terrible, but it's kind of underwhelming when you compare it to some of the other Navy Federal credit card products. Number 3 is the More Rewards American Express card. If you love stacking reward points on everyday essentials like groceries, gas, and dining, the More Rewards American Express card is definitely worth your attention. Upon opening the More Rewards American Express account, you will receive a welcome bonus of 20,000 points after spending $2,000 within the first 90 days. That is a $200 value. Just like the cash rewards card, you also get 0% APR on balance transfers for the first 12 months. But where this card really shines is the reward system, because you earn 3x points at restaurants, supermarkets, gas stations, and on transit. And then it's 1x points on everything else. Even better, you get added perks like $98 Walmart Plus membership credit, 30% off of hotels when you book it through booking.com, roadside assistance, and 25% off of car rentals. Plus, the points are flexible. You can redeem for travel, merchandise, gift cards, or just plain old cash back. And with no annual fee, this card is really easy to keep in your wallet year round. The More Rewards card is ideal for everyday spenders who just want higher returns on routine purchases without having to pay an annual fee. And it appeals to individuals who are frequently dining out at establishments or going to grocery stores, gas stations, public transit. It's also well suited for those who wish to take advantage of shopping or entertainment perks offered via the American Express network. So for this card, for me, it is a no-brainer S-tier pick because it's optimizing real-life spending and the values really do stack up very quickly without costing you anything extra as far as fees. Number 4 is going to be the Cash Rewards Secured card. Now, this card allows members with limited or developing histories to begin a credit journey with Navy Federal while earning unlimited 1% cash back on every eligible purchase. Now, unlike many other secured cards that do not offer any rewards, this card combines credit building benefits with a consistent cashback component. You can open this account with a deposit as low as $200, and that deposit serves as your initial credit limit for 6 months. After you hold this card for 3 months and using it responsibly, you become eligible for a credit limit increase beyond your deposit without having to add any more money to the account. Then after 6 months, Navy Federal will perform another review and they may upgrade your card to an unsecured cash rewards credit card, at which point your deposit will be returned. The entire upgrade process depends on factors such as your payment history, credit utilization, and overall credit profile. And as of mid-June 2025, the Cash Rewards Secure card carries a variable APR of 18% for purchases and balance transfers. There is no annual fee, there's no foreign transaction fees or anything like that. And if you want to learn more about some other secured credit cards, I have an entire video ranking all of the best secured cards this year. Highly recommend that you watch that. And if you want to further establish your relationship with Navy Federal, I highly recommend watching my video about the pledge loan. That's going to be something where if you do get this secured card, you can use this secondary option to increase your internal score and to get this card to graduate even faster. Now, for a secured card, this is exceptional for me. I'm going to put this in the B tier because it's perfect for building your credit and it's going to fast track you to getting very high credit limits with Navy Federal. So yes, highly recommended. And this is the one that I started with personally. Number 5 is Navy Federal's travel-oriented premium card, the Visa Signature Flagship Rewards card. I think everyone knows about this one. And when you open up a new flagship rewards card and spend $3,500 within 90 days, Navy Federal will give you 35,000 bonus points worth approximately $350. After that, you'll also receive a 1-year Amazon Prime membership at no cost. That's valued at around $139, which is reimbursed via statement credit once the annual membership fee posts to your account. Even if you already have Prime, this benefit remains valuable since you can use it towards your renewal or gift the membership to someone else. But what makes the flagship card stand out is the maximum credit limit. It's the only Navy Federal credit card that goes up to $80,000. The flagship rewards card provides 3x points for every dollar spent on travel, and that includes flights, hotels, car rentals, cruises, trains, tickets, ride sharing, parking, toll and bridges, museums, amusement parks, campgrounds, RV, golf courses. I mean, anything that you could think of that's related to travel, it's kind of covered with this card. For all other purchases, you'll earn 2x points per dollar spent. There are no caps on earnings, and your points will never expire as long as the account remains open. This card is designed to reward both habitual travelers and everyday spenders. Another standout feature of this card is the annual statement credit of up to $120 for global entry and TSA PreCheck application fees. This will help cover travelers' enrollment costs every 4 years, and the card also includes comprehensive travel accident insurance, emergency assistance, and a collision damage waiver for car rentals for up to 15 days per rental. Now, these are great protections that offer peace of mind while you travel, all with a low annual fee. The annual fee for the flagship rewards card is $49. Now, when you compare this to some other premium travel cards, it's just way lower. I mean, that's a really modest annual fee. This card also has a variable APR ranging from 15.49% to 18% for purchases and balance transfers. The reason I love this card is for the annual statement credits. I do believe that's one of the most underrated features that no one talks about. If you use this card to pay for your Amazon Prime renewal, you'll receive the full 139 credit within 1 week. That effectively offsets nearly 3 years of the card's annual fee, making it a very smart choice for Prime members. This is Navy Federal's most valuable card, hands down. Between the welcome bonus offer, Prime membership, travel credits, and the high credit limit, I mean, it's rock solid. This is a no-brainer. It has to be in the S tier. Highly recommend this card. Number 6 is the Navy Federal Platinum card. Now, there's no flashy welcome bonus or point system here. After opening the Navy Federal Platinum card, you may take advantage of a 0% introductory APR on balance transfers made within the first 60 days. That promotional rate remains effective for 12 months, starting from account opening, making this card an effective tool for those who are looking to consolidate higher interest debt without any promotional fees. After this introductory period ends, your APR will convert to a variable rate, which again can change depending on the time that you're watching this video. This card has the lowest ongoing APR of all Navy Federal cards. If your credit goals include simplifying balances and eliminating high interest rates or consolidating several payments, the Platinum card could be a smart addition to your wallet. And the absence of rewards may seem like a downside, but if your focus is reducing debt, that's a good trade-off because this card will deliver real financial relief if you have high interest rate debt right now. And there's no annual fee. You can use this card with minimal expenses while you're paying ongoing debt. This card for me is in the A tier. Even though it doesn't offer perks or points, it shines in a specific scenario, especially for debt management. I previously talked about this in a video that I had about a Navy Federal hack. Highly recommend that you watch that if you haven't seen it. It talks about using this card as a low interest rate personal loan. So for that reason, I just have to put this card in the A tier. It is a very solid offering, and I do think that you should have this card in your lineup. Number 7 on our list is going to be the Go Biz Rewards card. And this is a business credit card that's available in either a Visa or a MasterCard. Now, it does offer a robust purchasing power with a competitive variable APR ranging from 17.40% to 18% based on the prime rate. So as a fee-free card, it comes with no annual fee and there's no caps on the rewards that you can earn. However, you only get 1 point per dollar spent on all eligible business purchases. It does make it ideal for managing everyday business expenses. However, you're not going to really get a very good bonus. The reason you should choose this card is because it does offer flexibility in financing. You have a $25,000 limit that you can get up to. There is no foreign transaction fee, so that's perfect if you're traveling internationally. However, this card really does not have any value. There is no 0% APR promos. The APR is fairly high compared to other Navy Federal credit cards. You barely get any value from 1x points per dollar spent. It's, to me, essentially less valuable than even the secured card. So for that reason, I do need to put this card in the F tier. It doesn't mean I don't like the Go Biz Rewards card. It's just that as far as value, you get a decent credit limit, and that's pretty much it. Now, here is a solid trifecta for you guys. Navy Federal lets you hold up to 3 cards at one time with a combined limit of up to $80,000. So this is my ideal Navy Federal credit card lineup. Card number 1 is the Platinum card. This one is your backup plan. Use it if you ever need to carry a balance with no balance transfer fees and low APR. It's like a safety net that you can use to save thousands of dollars in interest. Not to mention, you can kind of use it like a low APR personal loan, and you can refer back to the strategy from my video. Card number 2 is going to be the Flagship Rewards card. This card should be your anchor. It offers the highest limit, top tier travel rewards, and great perks. And even if you're not a frequent traveler, you still get benefits from things like the statement credit from Prime or TSA. Card number 3 is going to be the More Rewards Amex version. This is your daily use card for groceries, gas, restaurants, and transit because you earn 3x points. This is the most versatile rewards card that Navy Federal has to offer. You'll have everything covered with these 3 cards, from travel perks to everyday rewards and emergency flexibility with low APR. The cash rewards and the Go Rewards cards are good, but not useful in this lineup because they're really redundant. The Flagship and More Rewards Amex card will cover the same categories, and they provide more overall value. And ultimately, the Go Biz Rewards card really doesn't have anything to offer besides an additional credit limit if you wanted to get up to $105,000 between everything that Navy Federal has to offer. All right, I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please comment your favorite Navy Federal card and tell me why you love it. I would love to hear about your setup, which card that you're using, and the reason why you're currently using it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and you guys have a wonderful day.